In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader chart viewing options. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch chart types, choose the right time frame, and fine-tune the look and feel so your charts are easy to read and tailored to your trading style. Start by launching the Ctrader desktop app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a recent version so your toolbar and menus match what you see here. Next, open the chart you want to customize. You can double-click a symbol from your watch list or drag it onto the workspace. If the chart is already open, just click its tab to bring it forward. Make sure you're focused on the chart you intend to adjust. At the top of the window, look for the chart type controls in the main toolbar. You'll see icons representing different styles, typically candlesticks, bars, and line charts. And in many layouts, you'll also see options like Heikin Ashi or Mountain. If your window is narrow, some options may hide inside a drop-down, so expand the window or click the menu to reveal them. Click the chart type you want and watch the chart update instantly. Candlesticks are great for seeing open, high, low close detail at a glance. Bars offer a cleaner look if you prefer less fill, and line charts are handy when you want to emphasize closing prices and keep the screen uncluttered. If the change doesn't appear, make sure you have the correct chart selected and that no floating dialog is blocking the view. Now, adjust the time frame from the same top toolbar. Open the time frame menu and choose what fits your analysis. Anything from 1 minute for fast-moving action to 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, or weekly for bigger picture trends. As you switch, the data density changes, so use the zoom controls and horizontal scroll to fine-tune how much history you see without crowding the candles. Finally, refine the chart's appearance to suit your eyes. Right-click the chart and open the properties or appearance settings. From here, you can change background and grid colors, adjust bullish and bearish candle colors, toggle wicks and borders, and show or hide elements like the bid, ask, line, volume, and the crosshair. If the scale feels jumpy, try locking or auto-scaling the price axis. Once you like what you see, save your settings as a template so you can apply them to other charts with a click. That's it. You've changed the chart type, set the right time frame, and polished the appearance for clearer, faster analysis.